Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss the business model with you. I'm going to give you a couple of examples and I'm also going to show you how it works. This is business model number 6.
Today we're going to talk about business model number 6. This is an interesting business model. First, we're going to discuss how you can read a business model. When you're reading a business model, it's important to read the value proposition first. What is that? Who's going to be your clients? And if you're working together, who's going to be your key partner? That's simple. The thing is, when you look at this business model, you see there are a lot of cards, and the question is where you need to start. We're going to start with value proposition, then we're going to look who are the customers, and then we're going to look key partners, and then we're going to look at cost and revenue. After that, we're going to go to the rest. So what's going to be the value proposition? Value proposition is just going to be a community, and you have a member. If you have a believer, they will become a member of the community. If you have a supplier, they will become a member of the community. If you have a buyer, they will become a member of the community. It's a community where you give people the ability to found, help a product, help develop a product. It's that simple. So you're building a community, an online community, and people can help a product develop or help certain kind of suppliers and also buy a product on the platform. It's that simple. Who you need to work together with? You need to work together with media companies, producer, and distributor. They provide information you can put on your community. Producer provide the products. Distributor provide services to deliver the product. So these are your key partners. It's that simple. When you look at this business model, you need to question yourself: how does this work? Believers, suppliers, and buyers will have a membership, and when they have a membership, they pay a membership fee in order to get in the community, to see the products, and also to buy products. And this is very important stuff for your revenue stream. So let's look at this. Revenue stream looks like this, but let's look at the cost. So if you have products on your website, or services on your website, or different things on your website, you need to promote them. So the cost that you're having is marketing costs, distribution costs, and production costs. You cannot get around these costs because you need to sell those products, you need to also deliver those products, and you need to also make those products. But when you make sales, you get the revenue from it. You get also supplier subscription, and you can also get interest. It depends how you put this on your website, of how you put this in your business. So when you look at this, there's a lot of revenue stream, but also a lot of cost. But let's look at the business model. It's important to know that you have a community, and in the community you have believer, supplier, and buyers. Most of the time, the believer will become a member of the community, so they pay a member fee. And supplier will put their product on the community, and you can sell it to the community. It's that simple. And buyers, they can also buy the products on the community. You have to see like this: believer can become suppliers, but suppliers can also become buyers. Another way around, buyers can become suppliers, and suppliers can also be believer. It depends what kind of product it is and how you make it. So you're building a platform here, and your activity is going to be like fund management. Make sure that people are getting paid for the product that they have, of getting the product. So you have manage everything, and you also manage in the community and make sure that everything is going according to plan. And your main resource is educate those people here, in order so they learn how the product work, of how the services work of the certain company. Just make them intelligent. It's that simple. So this is the business model. It's an interesting business model. I do not think everybody can use it, but if you have a community, why not try it?
This is the end of the video. In this video, I discuss the business model with you. If you have questions about this business model, feel free to contact me.
power, infinite power, infinite power,